We've been watching former officer Kim Potter testify in her own defense. The prosecution has finished its cross-examination. Now, she is charged with killing Daunte Wright during a traffic stop in Brooklyn Center, Minnesota. Potter became emotional several times during the testimony. She claims she didn't realize she grabbed her gun instead of her taser when confronting Wright. Joining us now is CBS News legal contributor and former Manhattan prosecutor Rebecca Roiphe. Thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure.
Rebecca, what did Kim Potter say on the stand?
Well, she went through her training, she went through her history, and then she went through that one moment and explained what happened from her perspective. Mostly, it seems like she panicked and almost blacked out. I mean, that's the testimony that she gave, that she, during that one moment, as soon as she realized what she had done, she says, it was chaotic, and she doesn't remember anything after that.
What was the defense trying to accomplish by putting her on the stand?
Well, I think that they were hoping that they could create a sympathetic portrait, that she would appear to the jury as somebody who is truly remorseful at her mistake, but that this was an extremely stressful situation in which she felt that another officer's life was in danger and that she was justified in using force. But, in addition to the facts, I think putting her up there is mainly an effort to make her seem sympathetic.
Do you think Potter's testimony helps or hurts her case?
It's really hard to tell. There was that moment in her testimony where she broke down crying, a little reminiscent of the moment that Kyle Rittenhouse in the recent trial, which he claimed self-defense, also broke down crying. Those things, either they work or they don't work. Either the jury sees it as a true and sincere expression of emotion, or they see it as, crocodile tears, as some sort of effort to, push to gain the sympathy of the jury. And it's also possible that they see the tears as honest and they still feel that she's culpable. So any of those possibilities could exist. It really depends on how the jury experienced that particular testimony. I think that she came across a little bit defensive in her cross-examination, especially unwilling to be forthcoming and pushing back a lot, sort of on unnecessary questions with the prosecutor. And I'm not really sure quite why she did that, because it contrasted with her emotional, breakdown, which I think might have worked, but then she sort of backed up into this defensive stance. And I'm not sure the defensive stance will play all that well.
Speaking of that cross-examination, how did the prosecution approach Kim Potter?
Very methodically. So, in some ways, simply trying to buttress the prosecution's case in chief, which was to emphasize how much training police officers receive in terms of use of gun, use of taser, their tasers, how frequently they're trained, how much training she had had, how experienced she was, and therefore using that to highlight just how bad an error this was, just how inexcusable an error this was. Because, again, they're not trying to prove that this was an intentional murder. What they're trying to say is this is culpable negligence, that she consciously did something that put somebody in danger, clearly and irresponsibly put somebody in danger. So that's, so far, that's what the prosecution is trying to establish. It's also walking through the moment in which she pulls that gun. And I think, one thing that happened is that in her testimony, in her direct, what she did was she made it seem like all one instant, a sort of traumatic, chaotic moment. And by taking it step by step by step and showing those frames from the video, the prosecution is slowing it down. And in a way, it's putting the jury in a different position. So if the jury is experiencing this, as one hectic, crazy, chaotic moment in which something terrible happened, perhaps they would be more likely to sympathize with the defendant here. But if they see it in these frames and they think to themselves, well, I can see that that's a gun. Why could she not perceive that she was holding a gun? There's something clearly wrong with her that she couldn't do that. So I think that was actually a pretty good strategy on the part of the prosecution.
Rebecca Roiphe, thank you.